Do you know what welding is? Welding is when you melt two pieces of metal together into one piece. A chain is made up of lots of links, but each link starts out all by itself as one piece of metal. First, you have to heat up the metal in a really hot fire. Next, you have to bend it into shape with a hammer. After it's the right shape, you heat it up again in the fire. Then, you weld the ends together to make a finished link. Now the link won't come apart. If you want to make a chain, you have to put the links together before you weld them. Then they're all welded together. These are called welding links. The chain can be very strong. Chains are strong enough to lift a drawbridge. Chains are strong enough to hold a boat in place. And chains are strong enough to lift heavy rocks. But if the chain links are not welded together the right way, there might be a weak link in the chain. If there's a weak link in the chain, it can break when it has a heavy load on it. All the links in the chain must be welded together with a strong welding link. Heavenly Father's family is kind of like a chain. We are all His children, and He wants us all to be linked together with a strong welding link. When we are sealed together in the temple with the priesthood power, it's like making a strong welding link. We can be linked to our parents, our grandparents, our great-grandparents, and all of the generations of family members who went before us. And when we are sealed together with God's power, we are also linked to Jesus Christ as Heavenly Father with a strong welding link. Just like a chain is strong when it's welded together the right way, we can also be very strong when we are all sealed together with Heavenly Father and Jesus Christ.
And he shall plant in the hearts of the children the promises made to the fathers, and the hearts of the children shall turn to their fathers. Did you know we create lesson plans and activity pages to go with our videos every week? They're made by a professional teacher just for kids.
Tell your teacher. Tell your mom.
They're on our website.
Wow!